Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Credit One Bank app review to see a bit what you're using. So let's get started. The Credit One Bank app allows users to manage their credit card with features like checking balance, viewing transaction, making payment, setting up auto pay, and monitor credit score. It also supports card activation, instant card lock for security, and biometric login for easier access. The app is available on both iOS and Android, making it convenient for cash holders to manage account on the go. However, the app has mixed review. Users often report glitches, slow loading times, and crashes after update. Customer support within the app is also limited, and some users find it hard to resolve issues quickly. Beyond the app, Credit One Bank itself has faced criticism for hidden fee, confusing billing practices, and poor customer service. In my conclusion, the app still worth using. Like the entire their service is worth using if you already have a Credit One Bank card and you want a basic account management at your own fingertips, but not ideal if you expect flawless performance or transparent customer friendly banking. And that's it.